Hello. In the next video here we are going to cover how to add the individual classes, getting them to show up on the specific state and city pages that they need to, with the correct prices and all of that good stuff. So here on the back end, instead of going to course subjects, instead we're going to go to LearnDash and we're going to go to courses right here on this submenu. Go ahead and click that. You can see once you've got this open, you've got all of the sub items available for you to click without having to hover over it again. Once we get here, you can see the courses that are set up. My guess is that once you have, several from each category, once you've got one set up for an actual phlebotomy class and an actual IV class, everything the way that you want, what you'll probably want to do is just duplicate those and then change the dates and locations. But for right now, I'm just going to show you how to set up a brand new one. So we come right here to add new, and we say add new course. And we are presented with a blank form here. So right here, I'm just going to add something ridiculous so that we can easily see it once we've added it. So we'll say and then here for location, obviously we pick which city it is that we want the class to be offered in. So we'll go ahead and say, I don't think there's any showing up in Miami right now, so we will pick Miami. And then here is for the subject, it's the subject of the course. We said phlebotomy, so we're going to go ahead and choose phlebotomy. Start date, it provides us with a calendar, so we can go through here and we can say June 1st, 2020. End date, June 5th, 2020. Hours. Here's where we put in the cost of the course, so $250, whatever it might be. Author portion doesn't matter any. The builder is only for classes that have actual tests, so the HIV or the National Phlebotomy Certification course. Then on this settings tab, there are a few items that will matter to you. I mean, course content, that one will matter obviously for, again, the HIV/AIDS course. We only want the content to be visible to enrollees. Here there is no course content. We want to do buy now, and of course enter the price. We said $250. There's no course prerequisites. It doesn't seem like any of these apply to the stuff that you guys do. And again, there's no course content, so linear freeform, that stuff doesn't matter. Since it's a pay course, you don't have to worry about manually adding people, since when they pay, they will automatically be added to the course. And groups, you're not going to be using that either. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit publish here. And what did we say? Did I say Miami? Yes. So if we come over here now and we pick a state and we go to Florida, Miami. Here is our phlebotomy course, June 1st to June 5th, 3 hours, $248. Is that what I put in there? Oh yeah, I guess so. Book now. Well, right now, okay, so to test it, to see what it is going to be like, when you're editing, you're already logged in, so it's given me the course. So to see what this would look like for a student, I want to open this in an incognito window, or I could use a new browser. And then I will be presented with this to take the course. So it'll say, take this course. Click the button. And now it wants me to use PayPal, or I can pay with a debit or credit card. I can click here, and then it obviously takes me to the PayPal form, $250, card number, all that good stuff, so that I can register for the course. So now that we've gone over that, I think you can see why it will probably be easier in most instances to just duplicate the courses and change the relevant information, because obviously if you've got 5 different phlebotomy courses happening in Miami, there's no sense in going through that whole setup each time, so that we can actually just come here and say duplicate. It opens it here as a draft for us, so then we can click into it, and then we can just go ahead and change the start date for this one. For instance, this one will be in July 1st, and go to July 5th, I guess, over the national holiday. Publish. Come back over here, refresh. And just like that, we've got a second course happening for that. So I think that is all that you're going to need for that portion. We will come back with another one next. Thanks.